Right, we're looking at Mandy's Citroen Dispatch. We've seen little bits and snippets of this one over the past few months, but we're going to have a good look at it today, I think, aren't we, Mandy?
Yeah.
So, how long have you had this now?
Just over a year.
Just over a year.
Just over a year.
And I remember filming it, and you said it would be done by next week.
Yeah, I lied.
So, I mean, I can understand why it's took you a long time, because you've got it absolutely amazing. And this is out of your old Berlingo, isn't it?
Yeah, this is a Chapel Motorhomes kitchen unit
Right.
that I had in my Berlingo. So, but I cut the bed bit up, so that's part of the bed bit. So I've got storage under there.
Right.
I mean, I haven't finished yet. There's bits that need covering in carpet still, but I've got plenty of storage under there.
Right.
And then I made my bed out of...
It's a metal frame, isn't it?
these are off an IKEA double bed.
Right.
And there are tenner for each beam, so I've got two beams because I've only got a single bed. But the brackets, you have to go on the IKEA parts website and they send you them for free.
Right.
I mean, I still need to cover this in carpet, but I've got a garage.
A garage.
All that stuff
underneath.
under there. Got my air fryer.
Yeah.
But because this is 5'3" across, and I'm only 5'2", so it works absolutely perfect for me.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? I mean,
Yeah.
that changes. It gives you a whole lot of more space at the front, doesn't it?
And I've got my toilet box here with my loo in. You don't want to see me loo, but... So at night I just fasten that up there so I can use the loo in the night, wheeze home there.
Yeah.
And I've got loads of storage. Got that cupboard full of my pots and pans and plates and knives and forks, wet wipes, my food cupboard, cups and bottles,
Yeah.
fit full vodkas and wines in there. Just not got any in at the minute because the season's only just starting.
Because you drunk it all.
Yeah. But I love it.
Oh, I like them.
My
I do like them.
So these were little Mighty Django little truffles. I only bought them because I wanted to use them as tea, coffee and sugar canisters. And I've got them tied in there with a bungee so it just stays up there all the time, these little bungees.
Yeah.
And I love it. My
What's
radio up there.
That's a radio, is it?
That's a digital radio, Emma Bridgewater. I like a bit of... I like my pink, don't I? You know me.
I know that.
But that's a digital radio and it's perfect, works perfectly everywhere. I don't like to have a TV because I think when you're on holiday,
Yeah.
you don't want to be in your van watching TV.
Yeah. I must admit, the only thing I like, I've not got TV, it's an iPad.
Oh, I take my iPad.
Yeah. But I do watch the football. I like to watch the football. But nothing else. I understand that people don't want to go camping and watch telly. They just stay at home and do that, can't you?
Yeah. So here, these are just yoga mats.
Yeah.
That just cut up and slid up there and down there.
Yoga mats are
Just
very
yoga
useful
mats.
for a lot of things.
I mean, I have got my foil behind it. I still need to make my foil blinds.
Yeah.
I have got all the fabric and everything to make them, and I've got the tin foil that's already on there, but I need to cover them.
Right.
But I do love her, and my lights are my little fairy lights.
Oh yeah.
So they just give enough light at night.
Yeah, they look. Last night I noticed it. And obviously, you didn't arrive till late, and then when you put them on, it was dark. They are noticeable.
Yeah.
They look really good.
But I've also got this if I want to do some reading.
Yeah,
or anything,
that's
and
something
these are
I've been
good.
looking at. Paul's got some of them.
These
we
are
had
good.
some round the windbreak, didn't we? Around the campfire last night.
All right. Yeah,
Oh, them are the ones that come down, don't they? I used to have one of them.
It's from Amazon.
Right.
I mean, they're about £11, but
Yeah.
I've not only charged that once since I've had it, and it's just USB.
Yeah,
So you just charge it up and off you trot.
Yeah.
Now, because I took all my electrics out of my cupboards to fit more food and stuff in, because the battery pack and everything was taking up too much room.
Yeah.
So I bought this USB tap. So,
yeah.
so
I
you
never
can
noticed that.
so it goes into my bottle down there, and you can put how much water you want it to bring out, 100 ml, 200 ml, 300 ml, and it's so good. And again, I've hardly charged it. And it's not dead slow.
So you don't, like the one I've got is a very basic one. You've got to stop it when you've got to watch it.
You've got to stop it, yeah.
Do you
so
have to do with that?
No,
or does it just
stops. It depends what setting I've got it on.
Yeah.
The lights go around to tell you what setting, but I generally set it at 100 mil. But if you've been messing about with it,
Yeah,
it's on 100 mil now. So I set it at 100 mil and just it stops at 100 mil. Then you don't have to sit watching it.
Yeah.
And it works. And my kettle fits under it perfectly.
Brill. I love looking at all the different things. You know that not just you, but you and all the others.
Yeah, everyone's different.
Van owners. They've all got their own little
individual quirks.
Yeah.
And I've got my blanket here that the lovely Angela made for me.
Yeah.
I love it.
She's good at crocheting.
Yeah. I'm just so glad the season's back again. And we can go away, can't we? I do want to make a door of some description to go across here, because my boxes slide out. Unless I've been thinking I could put, them blocks what go inside cupboards. I could put a few of them and then a curtain. That'd be probably easier.
Yeah.
Just to stop stuff sliding out, because my fridge, my Alpicool goes there and that moves up there, so I could just put a couple. And because then I can just pull the Alpicool out over it, can't I?
Yeah.
When I need to.
You sort it out.
But I do love it.
Done a great job of it all.
Just got little tweaks I need to do. I forgot my bloody blind for the front this weekend.
Right. So you're
My
not got
eyes.
the blinds.
Yeah, I've got no eyes this weekend.
See, like most people, you put all your stuff in the front, don't
Yeah,
you?
because I've not put my awning up and I'm not going to. There's no point.
No.
If I'd have got here earlier yesterday, I'd have put it up, but
Yeah.
because I ended up on the other side of Skipton.
Yeah. Well, you never. We're here at Riverside in Skipton in Connolly. It's a little village called Connolly. And Mandy, she's been here 3 times now, hasn't you, Mandy?
Yeah.
But last night she went to the other Riverside campsite in Skipton, which is like half an hour away. And she had a hell of a job finding it. And when she did find it, she realised it was the wrong one.
Yeah. I was with
So
the
she
sheep.
didn't arrive till about 8 o'clock last night. So it was a bit of a rush getting things set up, but
I've got my fire extinguisher there as well. It's just an Aldi one.
yeah.
I've just put the bracket on the
I
side
saw
of that
them in
cupboard.
Aldi not so long ago.
Yeah, Steph's just bought one.
Yeah.
They're good. Well, I'm saying they're good. I've never used it. And I did have a fire blanket, but it got burnt last time on the fire pit, so I'm going to get a new one.
Right.
But I do love it.
Yeah. Well, you've worked hard on it and you've done the majority of it yourself, haven't you?
Yeah, I've done it. Yeah, I just bought this. That's all.
Yeah. Well, it's good how you've utilised that, because that's out of the Berlingo, isn't it?
Yeah, because in the Berlingo it was up here, weren't it, and the
Yeah.
single bed at the side.
Yeah.
Whereas I want it to be across because it gives me more floor space.
That gives you absolutely
party
loads
van.
of space there, doesn't it? Yeah.
For when we disco dance. I do love it.
Yeah.
It's chilling in it when you
Well, I
come
think
away.
we've covered everything, haven't we?
I do, yeah.
All the beautiful flowers you've got all the way around there. Pink, of course. Has to be pink.
I've got lights under here as well, but the battery's gone. I need to put batteries in, and I've got a remote control so I can switch them off from my bed.
Right.
But I do love it.
Yeah, I don't blame you. You've got it lovely. Right, cheers, Mandy. Thanks a lot for showing us round
Thank you.
the dispatch.
You should all join our little meetups.
Yeah.
Do more as the year goes on.
Yeah.
Love it.
It'll be good.
Well,
Right, cheers, Mandy.
thank you. She needs a wash though.
Yeah, get it washed.